Okay, you don't want me to record you? Okay. Well, I like to record interactions, but if you don't want me to record, I'll go ahead and stop the recording because I wanted to have the information, and you're not really providing a lot of information.
Well,
I drove all the way here.
Still looking.
Yeah, because the child custody rights were taken away, and you don't have the access of that, and you're looking in the system.
I don't. I mean, it's the online portal. It's a public portal.
Okay. Because you asked me about the restraining order, and we haven't gotten a resolution of what was going on to assist me with. I told you there was corruption with my child custody rights, and I asked you if any of that looked familiar.
I don't know what. From here, I don't know what the corruption would have been. There's just not very much information on this portal, so I could.
Was it normal to deprive a person of having a guardian ad litem? Has my child custody rights been taken away?
That's what I can't tell. I can't tell.
You can't tell?
Not from this portal, if they were taken away.
Because I drove all the way here.
Yes, ma'am.
And you're an attorney, and you can't tell.
I can't tell from this portal.
For family law.
Right.
Well, can you assist with all the corruption? Do they normally have a guardian sign a guardian ad litem? Because they don't want me to know who the legal custodial parent is. The court.
I'm sorry?
The court.
I'm sorry, ma'am.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry. I forgot. Let me go ahead and cut this off. I just wanted to record. I'm not going to record you. I'm just going to record this because I have to keep it as documentation. So you're saying the ad litem is only assigned when both parties aren't served. So I want to have it for my education.
I mean, it's up to the judge to decide that an ad litem needs to be appointed for a missing party.
Okay, so you don't. I'm trying to figure out about my rights for ad litem, and I'm doing my education. So you're saying that the judge doesn't have to assign the ad litem. Is that what you're saying?
I mean, it's basically up to the judge's discretion on appointing an ad litem.
Okay, I'm just using this for my education, so I'm documenting what you're saying, so I can have it and go back and listen to it. What you're saying. Okay, so how do I find out if my rights were taken away?
Like I said, you just need to.
And there's no way that you can find out right here for this consultation.
Not for this consultation. No, ma'am.
Okay, and it doesn't have it online if my rights were taken away. Does it have what happened July 10th? Because you saw the other dates, but you didn't go over what happened July 10th.
July 10th? How do you mean?
You said that you saw the restraining order, and you said that you saw something that happened in March.
Okay,
they didn't allow me to appear at court in March.
10th of 2019, there was a bench trial.
Okay, and then did you see anything that happened August 2nd or August 1st? Because you didn't go over that.
August 2nd of
August 1st of 2019.
August 1st of 2019.
I just want to be able to go back to it and compile my education. So I was set for dismissal on August 2nd.
And then a final order was signed. Yeah, a final order was signed modifying it. So that would probably be the order you want to request.
Okay, so it was set for dismissal to dismiss it and then go back to my original parental rights?
It just says dismissal. I don't know what they were doing. I guess they were dismissing the case.
So then if they dismiss the case, would that go back to my original parental rights?
It would go back to whatever the previous order was.
Okay, so they set it for dismissal, and then if someone came in?
I can't tell. It just says that a final order was signed. So I'm assuming...
A final order? Do they normally do final orders for putting you on supervised visits forever?
I mean, it's not... It happens.
Okay, but I told you that there was corruptions and crimes, and I don't have a guardian ad litem or anything. So I'm trying to figure out, what are my rights with this law firm?
Okay. I mean, rights for what you're asking.
You won't be able to help me?
I don't believe so, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay. And I'm sorry about that. I'm sorry you had to drive out here. But...
It happens all the time. It's been happening for years.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's why I like to record the interaction. But you told me that they dismissed it, and then they set up for a dismissal hearing. And I was told that it was dismissed, and they went back and changed it. So did they actually dismiss it, or what happened? It's not clear?
It does not look like it was actually dismissed. It looks like it was a final order from probably this bench trial in July was signed.
Okay, because you said that they set it up for dismissal. If they did something in July, how did it change? For it was set up for dismissal. Then how could they change it and set it up from the order from July? It's like people don't have their life straight. You said that it was set up for a dismissal hearing in August.
Right.
So how could it be if it was set up for a dismissal hearing in August? Then how could they have made a final order in July?
Because it would have been before August.
They set it up for dismissal in August.
Okay.
So if they were setting it up for dismissal in August, how did it change? Is that normal?
I'm just
Okay, it was set up for dismissal in August.
Okay.
I did not appear at court.
Okay.
I was in jail on false charges.
Okay.
So if it was set up for dismissal in August, how did it change to they made the final judgment July? And then you said that what happened August 2nd?
That's what I'm saying.
August 1st.
There's nothing showing up for August 1st.
Okay, so you didn't see anything for August 1st, and you can't see anything for July, and you're an attorney, and you're in a database, and you're not.
I'm on a public portal.
And you're not able to find out. You don't get from your judgment. You don't know if that's normal. And I don't have an ad litem.
It seems abnormal. Whatever is happening on this docket.
Oh well, thank you for that. But yeah, you won't be able to help me. Okay, it's been happening years, sir. That's why I like to get the information from attorneys. So what was supposed to happen?
What do you mean? What was
I want to know what was my rights and what was supposed to happen. If you're not going to be able to help me, are you able to tell me my rights?
I mean, can't. The rights just aren't here.
Oh no, the
So
rights what was supposed to happen. Do they normally take your child custody rights away, and then you don't get a CPS worker or you supervised visits, and you don't get criteria?
They don't. CPS is going to be separate from the court, really. And I mean, they're not attorneys. They're not involved in that. They get involved with children, but it's a little separate from the court.
I just wanted to know my rights, and you haven't given. I drove all the way here, and you assist people, and you make a living, and I just wanted to know my rights and what they were supposed to be doing.
I mean, I'm somewhat when you're saying your rights, I'm just not understanding what you're asking.
I wanted to know what my rights were and what they were supposed to be doing, and how my rights have been sabotaged, and the legal, what they were supposed to be doing legally to, give me my parental rights and not sabotage them. So I didn't get an ad litem, and you said that the judge it's up to the judge's discretion to assign one. And
again, that would be for really absent parents, and then the judge.
I would be the absent parent because I'm on supervised visits. And
no, like if you would be absent from the case, from the lawsuit. So if you weren't appearing in the lawsuit, or you hadn't, which it seems like you have, because it's showing that you appeared at trial on the 10th. Right,
I was there, but then how did it get set for a dismissal hearing in August?
I guess the court said it. I don't know. I wasn't.
I don't know. I can't really get any definitive, and I'm coming to an attorney to get answers, driving all the way here, and keep sitting with an attorney, and you don't have them either. It's kind of for me, I've been going through this years, and it's just been problematic. Even the attorneys don't know what's going on, and then deny me services. So okay, sir, this has been going on.